All right, so what is good? So on this one, I want to just give my biggest tip when it comes to this Facebook monetization, how to make as much money as possible. What I've been doing recently to basically start blowing my earnings up. All right, before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button to get notified on more notifications on how to make money here on the channel with Facebook, YouTube, Amazon, you name it. We make money with all of it. Be sure to drop that like button as well and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so anyways, as far as what I've been doing and implementing on this Facebook thing, the biggest tip that I was given, especially by my boy, shout out to him, was posting in Facebook groups. Like, it is insane how you can start something so controversial in these groups and it'll just blow pretty well. So for instance, I mentioned this before, but for those of you who haven't watched my video on this, like let's say the anime community, okay? One thing I've noticed about the anime community is they are very hard deep into their stuff, okay? And so when I first tested this out, I posted on some, anime group about like some Goku and Vegeta thing, right? Like, about fighting and all this stuff, and it is insane that within like 5 minutes, man, people were just commenting. I mean, non-stop. And so I started seeing that money coming in from that too. So next thing you know, I was making a penny, 2, 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 30, $1. Like, it was just blowing up insane. And that's the crazy part about this too, is that you make one post one time, something very controversial, and you start making money from it just based on that. Like, for me to have posted that probably took me like a minute just to come up with it and just post it, but that is insane. And so you do this multiple times by posting in multiple groups, and next thing you know, all the comments just start swarming in and you get all that engagement. And that's exactly what Facebook wants to see. They want to see that type of engagement. They want to see that your content converts, that it starts some stuff, and just have people on the platform. So if you're struggling with your Facebook earnings, you've been posting stuff on your own personal page, reels, photos, text, and your earnings are just not reflecting that, then try that method. You will see a major difference. Like, it is insane. Not to mention, when you take the time to go back, reply to all those comments and start more controversy, like, bro, it's like non-stop at that point. Now, that also means don't stop posting on your own personal stuff, okay? Keep, continue posting reels, doing your posts, your photos. I mean, if you're a huge creator already, you're already getting, pretty decent engagement anyways. But if you're a small creator like myself, where I don't even have 500 followers just yet, then yeah, I would advise doing that. And then go back in the comments, and there's actually an option on your profile where you can actually invite all those people who commented on your post to actually possibly follow you. Now, a lot of them won't follow you, depending on who you are, what you're posting, all this and that. But you'd be surprised how many followers you can actually get from this, and like that you start slowly increasing and doing it. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, this strategy is just a volume-based strategy, okay? The more you post, the more you put yourself out there, the more you will make over time, okay? Yeah, sure, that post probably made me like, I don't know, $2 maybe, but again, it just took 1 minute of my time. And if I'm doing that in like 10 groups every single day, just doing something like that, now we're looking at $20 a day, and then 20 times the 30 days in a month, like $600, and so so forth and so forth. And at the same time, you're growing your profile, you're growing your following, you're growing your engagement. Next thing you know, you have people on your own stuff that are also commenting and engaging in there as well. And so it starts off so small and you start building up so big. So I like to take it in that metaphor where people are like, if you got a penny every day and doubled it, would you do it? So that's how I see this platform, okay? Now, obviously, you won't see millions within like 3 months or so of doing this, but you will make some decent change for sure. So yeah, I'm going to continue to post my results, updating you guys, and just giving out as much tricks, guidance and whatnot when it comes to this Facebook monetization thing, because this is literally the easiest, craziest way I've seen of making money online in 2026. I thought Amazon influencer and all that stuff was, already easy enough, but this stuff right here, this is insane stuff. I mean, I don't have to take no videos if I don't want to. Obviously, it'll help with my profile, but I don't have to do so much. Like, bro, I could say just 1 hour of my day, posting stuff, creating, coming up with content, engaging, replying to comments, and then really just call it a day. Like, this thing is crazy as hell. So yeah, but anyways, hopefully this video was super helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.